welcome guys to this part of the video again. So in our last video we have successfully create a database where this banking software, or let me say banking script, will be storing all the information it will be collecting to that database, and we have successfully linked this script to that database, right? And we have, after successfully linking the two, we've successfully set in an administrative dashboard, which is a super admin dashboard, right? So now all I have to do is and remember, after uploading the script and extracting the script and everything, I will advise you to delete this zipped file permanently from your cPanel file manager. So all you have to do is you can click either on delete from your keyboard, or you can come over here and click on delete, then skip the trash and permanently delete files. Yes, so now this is it, right? So now, having gone here, okay, so now let me cancel this. Yes, so now anytime if I want to log into this super admin dashboard of I created it in a sub directory. Sorry, I've been saying subdomain. It is a sub directory. So now all I have to do is just /banking, right? Yes, so you hit on enter. So this is it. You see, actually this is the front end of Vel Concept Bank. As you can see, this is the front end. So actually we can go down, we'll be editing this picture, everything, services, customers 500, branches 5, 1 million transactions, and all of this is the front end of the website actually. So you have also, there is we have a long-term deposit reward. Just like if someone deposit for a fixed amount of time, you can giving that person interest, right? So this is the amount: basic 8%, duration 12 months, interest rate 8%, minimum $10, maximum $500. So actually we can also change all of this, right? Loan packages, this is the loan packages. You can also issue out loan. So as you can see, this is the front end of the website. We have also this, our social media platforms. So this is it. So we're editing all of these from the admin dashboard, right? This is the home. So about us page also. This is it, who we are, meet our team, all of this and that, right? So we have services. So as you can see, this e-banking system is very, very, very beautiful. Actually, as you can see the front end. Frequently asked answers on question: how to open an account, how to deposit money. So you can decide to okay, you see, you can deposit money via online payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Paystack, Flutterwave, and the rest. So this is how we'll be setting these transactions. Okay, so now contact us also. Okay, we are in the contact us page, right? So now all we have to do is sign in. We are going to sign into our super admin dashboard, right? So this is the mail. So this is I'll type in the password. Yes, and log is the password, right? So as you can see, if you log in for the first time, this is how you see your active users, pending KYC. That means know your customer. If you want to know your customers, pending ticket, deposit request, withdrawal request, loan request, FDR request, wire transfer request. So these are all where you can set it, right? So now let's go to users. So add new users. That means, do you want to open an account for a person manually? This is where you will set that. So if you should click on add new user now, so this is where you are going to set manually set an account for someone. Had it been, let's say you have a branches, you have an offices, and someone wants to open an account with your bank, so this is where you are going to actually do that, right? So you add new users and everything, right? So this is it. So now email verified and everything. You can also verify email of what your customers and everything. So wire transfers also. You can also transfer. That means these are what wire transfer requests, right? This is where you are going to see them, each of your customers, because this is done in such a way that you must have to be on your dashboard 24/7, or you have you have your workers that will be on the dashboard 24/7 monitoring. Anybody that has a transfer request, you quickly transfer it to the account number that person wants, right? So deposit also, make deposit requests and everything, right? So all transactions, loan management and everything. So now let's go to loan management, all loans, right? Yes, so now here is it, right? So loan repayment. So now we have all loans, no loan already. So loan calculator, add new loan. So let's go to add new loan now. So this is where actually you can set what? You can set a loan platform for your customers, right? We have loan products, right? So we have student loan, business loan, and enterprise loan. Borrower, right? So okay, we don't have any borrower. First payment date, release date, applied amounts, late payment, penalties, and everything. So this is it. So loan product. Yes. So now these are the loan products that we have, right? These are the loan products that this script comes with, but if you like, you can edit it. So for student loan, the interest is 5%, business loan 12%, enterprise loan 12%. This is the interest type, and this is the term. That means student loan is 24 months, right? What is it called? The borrower will will collect the loan and repay within 24 months, and this one is within 12 months, and this one is within 36 months. So action, what do you want to do? Do you want to edit this, or do you want to delete it? So if you hit on edit, this is where you can edit what you can. If you like, you can change the name. You can, if you like, you cannot change the amount and everything, right? So, and also you can change the language here, right? So this is the language, right? So let's go to system settings and see branches. So here you can add your branches also, right? If you like, you can add a branch. So let me add a branch, add new branch. So let me say name, let me say Plateau State branch. Contact email, you can create an email for each branch, but I'm going to use info@velconcepts.com. Contact phone number 9024207749. So address, so Bauchi Road. You can just use let me just use any address. But this is where you type the address of that bank, so you can save changes, right? So we have already saved it. This is it, right? So we have one branch already. So other banks. So that means we have other banks that we can add other banks where that means your users can transfer money to those banks and and everything, right? So this is where this comes in. This is what these other banks. So name First Bank. Let me try First Bank. Then country Nigeria. Okay, let me search for Nigeria. Yes, so Nigeria. Currency. Okay, we only have 3 currencies. So Euro, USD, and okay, so we have to add other currencies first. We have to add Naira, right? So where do we go? Where do we do that? So all we have to do is system users. This is where you can all users. Okay, yes, all users, access control and everything, right? So currency list. So this is where we can add the currencies. So now this is it. So 1 USD is our base currency, right? And what this means is base currency is the currency that will be used to determine the exchange rate of other currencies. So now 1 USD is what equals to what 0.85 euro and other things. So if you let's add another currency now. So name, okay, let's say okay, name it will be Naira. Exchange rate. Okay, so now $1 to Nigerian naira, current Nigerian naira exchange rate is almost about 1,000. So let's see 1,000. So base currency, no, right? So select status, active and save. Yes. Okay, the name may not be greater than 3 characters. Okay, so now that means we need to transform it, which is NGN, right? Which is mean Nigerian naira. Yes, so now we have saved it, right? So now we have Nigerian naira, which is $1. $1 US is equivalent to what 1,000 Nigerian naira. So if you like, you can add so many currencies that you want to what you want your bank to deal with, right? So now other banks. I want to add banks first. Okay, so add bank. Okay, so now say first bank. Okay, country Nigeria. Okay, NGN, right? That is the currency. So first bank Swift code. You can go to Google and just ask Google for first bank Swift code. Swift code, right? Swift code Nigeria, right? So this is the first bank Swift code. This is it. Okay. So you can come over here and paste it, right? So minimum transfer amount. So what is the minimum transfer that the person can do to this bank? You will set it here, right? So let's say 100, right? 100 naira meaning maximum amount. Let's say 500,000, right? Okay, 500. Yeah. So fixed charge. That means what is the amount that you want to charge whenever someone is making transfer to this bank, right? Let's say fixed charge is 1. Okay, charging percentage, it can be 0%. Okay, let me just, the fixed charge, that means there is a fixed charge and there is a what? Fixed charge, that means whenever you are transferring an amount, any amount to this bank, 1 naira will be what? Will be deducted, right? That is it. But if it is, the charge in percentage is the percentage of the amount, so a customer is transferring. So if I should put 10% now, that means when a customer is transferring 100 naira, 10% will be deducted. That is what this means. 10% plus 1 naira, which is what? That means 10% of 100 naira is 10 naira, and plus this 1 naira fixed charge to me, making it 11 naira all. So that is, but I'm going to leave this 0, right? So instruction, is there any instruction you want to what? You want to give this bank? No. So I'll just give it and say activate. Right? So I've said activate now. So I already have one bank. So now system, users, currency list, transaction settings, okay, website management. So this is the website. You see that front end that I showed you guys, because this is where you can what? You can edit the content and put in your own content and everything, right? So this is it. Okay, so services, right? So as you can see, this is payment request. You can make, this is where you can what? You can edit the content. Just click on this, click on edit. So this is where you what? You edit the content and everything. Browse icon. So is that any icon you want to give this? Okay. As you can see, they gave this an icon, which is what? Icon font P, right? So do you want to use any other icon? You can browse the icon and just put the name of the icon here, right? So it is loading. Yes. So you can put the name of the icon here, right? And everything. So now I'll just click on this and update. So you can make your custom request to customers for any type of product or services, right? So this is where you can edit the content. So this also go for frequent answers or questions, testimonial, things, pages. So let's go to pages. So you see, this is terms and condition page and our privacy policy page. You can also head on there and edit, right? So this is the terms and condition page. So definitely, you see, if you are setting this for a customer or a client, he will give you all the content that you insert here actually, right? So this is it. So now let's go to administration settings. So general settings. Okay, so now this is general settings, right? Remember those settings that we did, we can also edit them here. This is the address you want to give. This will be the address of the head office of the bank, right? So let's go to system settings. Yes, so website enabled. Okay, back end direction. Okay, just leave it the way it is. Currency position. Which position do you want the currency, left or right? Yes. Date format. Here you can choose the date format. Time format. Allow sign up. Enable. There's email verification. You can either enable or disable it. So I will enable it. I want to test all of it. Mobile verification. Okay, I will disable this. So enable 2FA. So that means two-factor authentication. What they mean by two-factor authentication is your customers, do you want them to have a two-factor authentication? That means after putting in a password, you have another authentication platform like like let's say Google authentication or anything. Well, normally most customers or most individuals don't know this two-factor verification, and it tends to drive them away. So we just leave it as no. Enable KYC. That means you want to collect more information about your customers, like ID card or any other thing. So you can click either on no or yes. So we leave it like this. So next, account number. That means which account number do you want to start giving your customers. So as you can see, we have 202310001. So that means the first person that will sign up for this bank, he will first start getting this account number. Then the second person will be 002. The third person will be 003. So I think we are having 9 digits here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I'm going to give it another digit. So let me add 01, making it 10 digits, just like Nigerian bank, right? So I'll save changes, right? So I've saved these changes now. So request an OTP, right? So send money, approval not required. Okay, if person wants to send money, is approval required or not required? Okay, actually approval is required, right? Okay, send OTP required. Okay, exchange money, approval. If someone wants to exchange maybe from naira to dollar or from dollar to naira, yes, okay, I think we'll give this not required. Exchange money OTP also not required, right? Okay, yes, required. Withdraw money, approval required. Withdraw money OTP. Okay, let me say OTP required also. Wire transfer, approval required. OTP not required, right? So I will save changes also. Yes. So now email verification, right? So now you have to set an email verification for this bank so that it will be sending automatic emails to your customer. So how do you set this email? Remember that email that was set, which is info@valconcept.com. It has its authentications settings. So I've already told you how we can log into into that email. So I'm going to go to just my cPanel now. If you go to your cPanel, the authentication that is required for this email, and also you can set this email for WordPress also, and for this one. So I'll go to cPanel, go to email accounts. Okay. Yes, so these are my email accounts, right? So I'm gonna just info, right? I'll say check email. Yes, webmail is logging in. So we are logging in into our webmail. I've already told you the other way to log in into webmail, right? So client configuration, right? So these are what? Client configuration. So now all we need to do is put the necessary information that are here in what? In this place, in order to connect what? The server of our email with what? With these banking scripts that is here. So the type of email that this banking script support is what? SMTP. Unfortunately, again, we are using what? SMTP, as you can see. SMTP, right? So that is the type of mail we are using. So now all we need to do is put the necessary information that are here in here. So now all we need to do is from email. So if our customer should receive email, what should be the what? The heading of the email, or let me say the label of the email that's what you want them to see. So actually we just put info at Vel Concepts. Yes, then from name, so it will just be Vel Concepts. So SMTP host now. Okay, this host is what? This outgoing server. That is the host. We have incoming server and outgoing server. So we'll just copy this and paste it here. Yes. So SMTP port. So this port now for the outgoing server. Remember that the outgoing server is what is the one sending the messages. So now all we need to do is just copy this, which is okay, just 465. So we'll put 465 here. So username, this is the username, right? Info at velconcepts.com. That is it. It is written here. Okay. Paste it. Then password. This is the password of what? Of this webmail. Yes, that is what they mean here. The password of this webmail. So it will be. Yes, so save settings, right? So settings have been saved. So now we need to test if this configuration is what? Is intact, right? So what? We'll try sending a test mail. So you can just put any mail. So let me just say hi. So send test mail. Okay, yes, message sent successful. That means this configuration is what? Is intact. So that is it, right? So remember, from this is what the email you want, what you want that the receiver to see. Then here is what? Info. Okay, from name, that is the name it will be showing, right? Vel Concepts. So it can be the name of a person, either the customer care agent or any other person. So that is it. So I'll finish with this. So remember, SMS gateway. So actually this SMS gateway refers to what? You sending SMS. Remember, First Bank is sending SMS, you just see First Bank. Union Bank, you just see Union Bank. So actually this is also it. So but this you must have to register with what? With an SMS gateway called Twilio account SID, right? Twilio account. So you have to go and what? And this is something actually you pay, right? But for the email it is free. So this is a social login, right? So now, do you want people to log in to sign up on your bank via what? Social login? So that is what they are talking about here. So if you want it to enable Google, you just what? Enable Google, right? So Google Client IT, you go to Google Cloud.google, you go and what? And register and get an API key and come and what? Come and paste it here so that what? Users can what? Can log in through either Google or Facebook. The same thing goes for Facebook and Google. So Google reCAPTCHA, right? So if you want it also, go to Google, register it, and what? Come and put the site key and a secret key here and save settings. So now cron jobs. Okay, let's see, what is this cron jobs? Okay, run every 12 hours. Okay, this refers to the what? To the security of the site. So logo and favicon now. So we need to work on the logo. So now we'll be uploading this logo here, right? So all we need to do is, okay, you open the image in the new tab in order to what? To know the size of that image. So it is what? 212 by 60. Remember, all you need to do is go to Micromedia Fireworks or any other photo editing software and what? And resize the picture of your logo to this logo. Let me also open this in a new tab for the favicon, which is this. Okay, 128 by 128. So now let's work on the company logo first. So Micromedia Fireworks is opening. Yes. Right, so the size of the 212 by 60, right? So 212 by 60. Okay, so that's it, is the size of the logo, right? Control R to import the logo. Okay, so it is here. Okay. Okay, so the logo is located somewhere around here. So let me use this new logo. Yes. So all I need to do is just copy, click and drag. Yes. So now I'll just resize it from here. Okay, 212 by what is it? 212 by 60. Yes, I'm going to have exactly. So Control Shift R. So let me just save this with let me say bank. Yes, so export. So I'll go to I'll go to upload. Okay, so now I'll go to pictures. Okay, bam, this is it, right? So, and click on OK and click on upload. Yes, so yes, logo upload successfully. So now which is 128 by 128. We have to upload our favicon now. So let's go and resize it also. So click on here. Okay, canvas size 128 by 128. So now click on OK, right? So just okay, since we still have the logo there, so all you need to do is just resize it. 128 by 128. Yes, be taking note of what of the numbers that are here. So Control Shift R and C, bank 1. Okay, so now click on this. Okay, upload bank 1, open and click on upload. Yes, so we'll have our favicon in no time. Okay, just saved successfully, right? So now we are done with cache control. Okay, this has to do with this, saving the data of the site on the browsers of we want to remove cache, right? So I think we are done with we are done with system configuration. So email template, yes. So actually, do you want these are what email templates when someone or your customers this is withdrawal request reject. So when customers request for a withdrawal and reject it, this is the email that will be sent to them, right? This is the this is the content of the email. So this is the activated actually. So what will activate it, right? So let's try and activate it. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so now here is it. Here is the email. Dear sir, withdrawal request has been rejected. The transfer amount has returned back to your account. So that means this is just this is a code actually, right? So that means it means any amount, right? So let's activate it. I told you we'll be test running this thing, right? So I'm gonna activate it. Yes, it is active, right? So okay, let's see. So now what we need to do is we've activated for deposit, right? Yes. So now okay, SMS template. Okay, since we haven't done anything for SMS, we'll leave it like that. So languages. Okay, I thought I click on languages. So okay, add new language. Let's see if we can add a new language. Okay, let's see German. Create language. Okay, edit translation. But this is if you want to add a new language, you will translate this permission denied into what? So that means all of these things you translate them into what? Into German language. So this is what this means, right? So now we are going to be test running this bank. So we are going to open a new account. Okay, let me open another browser. Okay, let me open our Firefox. Okay, yes. Okay, if you like, you can open. Okay, let me okay, I think I'll just open a new incognito window. Let me just leave that Firefox. Yes. Okay, I've opened a new incognito window. That means this window is separate from that window. It won't tamper with anything that we are doing there, right? So it will be VelConcept / okay, what was the name of the /bank, right? Yes. Yes. Okay, banking is banking actually. Okay. Yes, banking. Yes, VelConcept bank. So now we're gonna sign up. Okay, we haven't set our payment gateway. Sorry. Okay, so now we're gonna be sending our payment gateway. Okay, administration. Are we done with administration? Okay. Yes, transaction settings. Sorry, deposit gateways. Yes, deposit gateways. We have different deposit gateway. That means your customers can deposit via different platforms. We have PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Paystack, Blockchain, and Flutterwave, right? So I'm going to be using Flutterwave. So let me configure Flutterwave, right? So that is also for blockchain and the rest. So image. So if you like, this can be the image of what? Of your bank. Okay, let me upload the image. Okay, let me open the image in a new tab. Let me see the size. Okay, yes, 192 by 192. So let me canvas size 192 by 192, right? So this is the canvas, this is the size. Yes, 192 by 192. So all I have to do is just resize it and resize it. Yes. Oh, let me just let me import the new logo. Okay, let me use this one. I told you must be a graphic designer for you to be a what? For you to be a professional website designer, right? So as you can see, this is a different category of okay, let me name this bank 2. Yes. Right, so okay, bank 2 and open. So this is it. Yes, so now start to enable, right? Yes, so currency. Okay, let me type okay, NGN, right? Yes, NGN. So that's the currency we'll be using, right? So now okay, so now all I have to do is head into a Flutterwave account. I already have a Flutterwave account. So if you don't have a Flutterwave account, you must have to go and open a Flutterwave account, do the necessary documentation and configuration and anything to get a Flutterwave account. Okay, Flutterwave. Yes. So flutterwave.com. Okay, set all cookies. Okay, let me go to login. Close this. So login. Okay, let me go to create an account. Let me see if there's a button for login there. Yes, right? Yes, so login here. Let me close this. So that means I'm going to be showing you how you can set your Flutterwave account. Yes. So you see, I already have an account with them. So actually, I have two business accounts with them. I have ABD company and original Val concept design. So let me just use the first one. Okay, one-time password. Okay, they send me a one-time password through my text message. Yes, so in order to verify that it is me who is logging into this account, you see they have very, very tight security. Okay, I'm coming. Is it correct? 2820140. Okay, yes, so this is it, right? Okay, let me close this. So in order to get the information that they are looking for here, all you have to do is, after opening a Flutterwave account, go to settings. Then after going to settings, go to API keys. Yes. So haven't gone to API key. So let's say we should paste public key here, right? So we have this to be public key. We'll copy it, come over here and paste it, right? So we have secret key also. Okay, they say they are in need of secret key. So all I have to do is I will generate a new secret key. Okay, let me generate a new secret key. API expire. Okay, let me choose 1 hour. So confirm, right? Okay, authentication code also. They will send me a new authentication code. So 12577734. Yes. So now generate new secret key. Yes. Remember to replace it with new secret key before the expiration time. So now, okay, remember to replace it. Okay, yes. So now I'll copy the secret key and paste it here. Yes. So now encryption key also, I'll copy this encryption key and paste it here. Yes. So now environment sandbox live. Yes. So now exchange rate. Okay, exchange rate of $1 to €1. Let's say you say is 1,000. Okay, minimum okay deposit amount. Okay, let me say 0.001 okay, 0.001. Okay, maximum deposit amount. Okay, sorry. Let me put $1. Minimum 0.01. So percentage charge 0.0, fixed charge 0.0. So let me see if changes. Yes, so now we have Flutterwave to be active, right? So let me go to the under window and create a new account. Okay, create new account. So let me put Abdul. Email, let me use this email. Country code, okay. Nigeria, yes. So phone number 09024207749. Okay, password. So agree to all terms and conditions of policies and create my account. So now we have our account. So you see this is our account number, right? Yes. So we already have an account number. Immediately you register an account, you have an account number. So let's head on towards deposit. So deposit money, automatic deposit. So deposit now, yes. So now, okay, so now we have, okay, let me change this base currency. Let me change the base currency to what? To Naira actually. Yes, let me change the base currency to Naira. Okay, currency list, yes. Okay, so yes, let me change the base currency to Naira. Okay, I've clicked on edit. Okay, base currency, yes. Okay, let me reduce the exchange rate also, which is 1 Naira equals to 1 Naira, and update settings. Okay, so now let me go back to the under window and refresh it. I've refreshed the page now. Yes. So deposit limit from 100 Naira to 1000 Naira. Deposit charge, nothing. Remember we set 0 fixed amount and 0% for deposit. Yes, so now, okay, let me click on 100, process. Okay, let me pay now. Okay, now it's working. Yes, so now let me pay using USSD. Yes. Okay, choose bank. Okay, I'm using First Bank. Pay 103 Naira. So yes, this is the code I'm gonna be typing. Star 894. So yes. Okay, so transaction successful, right? Yes, so you see automatic, it detects that I've made the payment, and it will automatically credit your customer's account with 100 Naira. You see? Yes, this is it. So now as you can see, this is it, but where does the money goes to? The money goes to into my Flutterwave account. That means any deposit that is made will be going toward my own Flutterwave account, and when a withdrawal request is made, I will be the one to send it manually to the person that wants withdrawal, right? So let me try withdrawing the money now. Let me see wire transfer. Right? Yes. So now bank is First Bank, the bank that we set there. So this is the Swift Bank action automatically. So now it is the customer that is making a withdrawal request. So account holder's name, you type the account holder's name, then the amount. So you see, definitely note submit. So now a withdrawal request, okay, insufficient balance. Okay, okay, what I did was, you remember we said that we set the transaction fee to be 1 naira. So definitely I must have 101 naira in my account in order to make this transfer. But if I should click on wire transfer and everything, I will receive a withdrawal request on my super admin dashboard, and I will see the withdrawal request and the information, the account number and everything. So I'll be the one to send the money manually to the customer's account number, to the customer's account, to the account that the customers wants that money to be sent to, and I will just approve it from here and everything. So this is it. So guys, we've come to the end of our training actually. So guys, till I see you in our next video, we'll be rounding up things and showing you how to make a minimum of $100 on Fiverr, and be showing you how to set a Fiverr account and everything. So guys, till I see you in our next video. Okay guys, a little information again. These are scripts for banking. We have so many other scripts. We have a school management system script, we have a VTU script, and all of this script we have them. So if you have a client that wants you to design a website, is specific kind of website that falls into this category of using a script, feel free to contact us and we will be at your service. So guys, till I see you in the next video, and congratulations on you finishing your program. So thank you very much for your time and all the effort you have put in this program. Bye bye.